Late night calls that never came through. Phone screen glowing but it ain't you. City lights blur through my tired eyes. Your name still echoes in the silent skies. Cold wind brushing my empty soul, trying to fix what I can't control. Every memory feels so loud, even in a quiet, lonely crowd. We had dreams in a broken room. Now I'm dancing with your ghost and gloom. Your perfume still on my hoodie stays, like you never really went away. I try to move on, but I can't let go. Your shadow follows everywhere I go. Every heartbeat still screams your name, and nothing ever feels the same. I'm lost in your silence, can't find my way. You left me in pieces, I'm fading away. Your love was a fire, now it's just smoke. I'm holding on to words you never spoke. Lost in your silence, I'm stuck in the past. Try to forget you, but memories last. You were my healing, now you're my pain, and I'm drowning in your ghost again. 3 AM thoughts, yeah, they hit too deep. No peace of mind, I don't even sleep. Your voice still lives inside my head, like a song I wish was never said. We used to laugh till the sunrise came. Now I'm alone, just feeling the rain. Your goodbye felt like a loaded gun, shot me down, now I'm undone. I see your face in every street, in strangers' eyes that I might meet. Try to love again, but it don't feel right, 'cause you still on my lonely nights. I keep pretending that I'm alright, but I break down every night. You were the light inside my dark, now I'm just lost without a spark. I'm lost in your silence, can't find my way. You left me in pieces, I'm fading away. Your love was a fire, now it's just smoke. I'm holding on to words you never spoke. Lost in your silence, I'm stuck in the past. Try to forget you, but memories last. You were my healing, now you're my pain, and I'm drowning in your ghost again. Yeah, I gave you my heart, you gave me scars. Now I'm counting pain instead of